Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Getting water in farmland TEMU can be tricky if you don't know the right strategies, but I'm going to walk you through exactly how to maximize your water collection and keep your crops thriving. Step 1. Start by unlocking the water pump building as early as possible in your farm development. This is your main source of consistent water production, and you'll want to place it near your crops to reduce travel time. You can unlock it by reaching farm level 5 and spending some coins or gems to activate it. Step 2. Next, focus on upgrading your water pump whenever you have enough resources. Each upgrade increases the water output significantly, so prioritize this over other buildings. Make sure to check the upgrade costs and plan ahead so you're not stuck waiting for resources. Step 3. Complete the daily water collection missions and quests that appear in your task list. These give you bonus water rewards on top of your regular production, and they're honestly some of the easiest ways to build up reserves. Don't skip these because they really add up over time. Step 4. Join or create a co-op farm with other players to access shared water storage and trading opportunities. You can exchange extra resources with teammates, and sometimes get water boosts during special events. This community aspect really helps speed up progress. Step 5. Finally, watch the free advertisements when they pop up to claim water rewards instantly. These ads usually give you a nice chunk of water without spending anything, and the videos only take about 30 seconds. It's basically free currency, so definitely take advantage whenever you can.